we have given diagram, and also we have given that D, E and F are the midpoints of sides. What it means from the definition of midpoint: midpoint of segment is the point that divides the segment into two congruent segments. So if D is the midpoint of AC, it means that AD is congruent to CD. So I will put one mark on segment AD and CD because AD is congruent to CD. What else? We have that E is the midpoint of AB. It means that AE is congruent to BE. And F is the midpoint of BC. It means that BF, I will put 3 marks, is congruent to CF. Because D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides, we can use the Midsegment Theorem, which tell us that the segment connecting the midpoints, so EF connecting the midpoints, EF connecting the midpoints, and ED connecting the midpoints. So the segment connecting the midpoints of two sides of triangle is parallel to the third side. So it means that EF connecting the two midpoints, it means that EF segment is parallel to segment AC, and DE is parallel to BC, and DF is parallel to AB. What else tells us this theorem? That this segment DF, for example, is half of the side AB, because DF is parallel to AB, so DF is half of AB, and DE is half of BC, and EF is half of AC. In this diagram we have given that DE, so this side, is 16. We have to find BC. So we can write that by the Midsegment Theorem, we have that DE is parallel, segment is parallel to BC segment, and from this theorem we have also that DE is half of BC. Is equal 1/2 of BC. So now we can use this equation. Because we have given DE, we have to find BC. So let me copy this equation one more time. DE is equal 1/2 of BC. Like I said, DE we have given is 16, so we can substitute DE by 16 is equal 1/2 BC. Because we have here multiplication and we need to find BC, we have 1/2, so I will multiply both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have 2 times 16 is 32 is equal BC. We can rewrite this, so we have BC is equal 32. This is my solution.